What makes rational expressions undefined? Have you ever wondered why some mathematical expressions just cannot be evaluated? Today, we will tackle the question of what makes rational expressions undefined. This is a key concept that can help you navigate through algebra with ease. A rational expression is essentially a fraction where both the numerator and denominator are polynomials. The big rule to remember is that a rational expression becomes undefined when its denominator equals 0. Why is that? Well, division by 0 is simply not allowed in mathematics. If you try to divide something by 0, it leads to confusion and cannot be calculated. To find out where a rational expression is undefined, you need to focus on the denominator, which is the bottom part of the fraction. Start by setting the denominator equal to 0 and then solve for the variable. The solutions you find will be the values that make the rational expression undefined. Let's look at a simple example. Consider the rational expression for times x plus 1 divided by x minus 3. To find where this expression is undefined, set the denominator x minus 3 equal to 0. Solving this gives u equals 3. At this point, the expression is undefined because you would be dividing by 0. Sometimes, the denominator is a polynomial that can be factored. For instance, if you have 2 times x squared plus x minus 6, you can factor it into 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 2. By setting each factor equal to 0, you can find the values that make the expression undefined. In this case, you would find equals 3 halves and x equals negative 2. It is also important to note that zeros in the numerator do not cause the expression to be undefined. Instead, they simply make the expression equal to 0. Only zeros in the denominator lead to undefined values. Understanding where rational expressions are undefined is essential for graphing these expressions and solving inequalities involving them. These undefined points often correspond to vertical asymptotes or restrictions in the domain, which is the set of all possible input values. In summary, rational expressions are fractions with polynomials in the numerator and denominator. They become undefined when the denominator equals 0. To find these undefined values, solve the equation formed by setting the denominator to 0. Remember, zeros in the numerator do not cause undefined expressions. They make the expression equal to 0. This knowledge will help you grasp the fundamentals of algebra and tackle more complex topics with confidence.